Hello my pretty viewers, I am Jhumun and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to share with you a very effective charcoal peel-off mask. You can easily remove your unwanted facial hair, blackheads and whiteheads by using it. So let's see what we need to make this peel-off mask. So first we need charcoal powder. Here I took Good Vibes charcoal powder. You can use this or any other brand. It helps to cleanse the skin, unclog pores, remove deeper impurities and dead skin cells, and gives a smooth, supple and even toned skin as well. Second ingredient, we need unflavored gelatin powder. Gelatin sticks onto your skin fast and it pulls dirt and environmental pollution from the pores. And the last ingredient, we need warm water for dissolve the gelatin powder into jello. So let's make it now. First I take 1 tablespoon gelatin powder in an empty bowl. Then I take half tablespoon of charcoal powder, and at the end I am taking 2 tablespoons of hot water, and I am mixing all of these ingredients together very well. Make sure there are no lumps inside the mixture. Here my mixture is ready. Now I am showing to you by applying it on my face. First I take steam in my whole face with the help of this hot wet towel. This will open my pores. Now I am applying it all over my face, exclude around the eye area. You can apply it wherever you have unwanted facial hair, blackheads and whiteheads area. Using a brush makes it much easier to apply. This peel-off mask helping you to achieve flawless complexion and fight acne. It's a very expensive to buy from the market. In comparison, if you make it yourself at home, it's a very easy and cost-effective also. If it gets on the eyebrows, wipe it off immediately with a wet cloth because you definitely don't want to pull those hair. After applied, wait for 30 minutes or until it's completely dry. After it dries, it will look like this. To make sure it 100% completely dry. Now start pulling this peel-off mask toward the direction of the hair growth. Always pull it upward direction, only then it will be remove all your unwanted hair, blackheads and whiteheads from your face. In normally pulling hair from the skin will cause pain, so it's a very painful process. But the result is really good, like the whole magic. I will share the result with you later by zooming it on my back camera. In the front camera could not catch it well. Can you see all the whiteheads and facial hair? It looks very satisfying and I love this peel-off mask. You love the end result. The skin is much smoother and cleaner than before. If you have any leftover on your face, then just take a warm cloth and gently wipe it off. It will easily come off. So this is my video for today. Thanks for watching. If you like to watch my video, then please subscribe my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. When I upload the video, the notification will go to you. Apply yourself and give your valuable feedback in the comment section and share it with your friends and family. See you on my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay pretty.